Hello guys, what we have here is a question which was also asked in NET December 2015. The question is that if a function f of x, sorry, f of z, which is given by z by uh, sine square pi or sine pi, okay, sine pi z square, okay, is of a complex variable z, then it has what the symbol pole at at 0 and 2, or 2 second order pole at plus or minus root n, or or symbol or pole of order 2 at plus or minus n, pole of order 2 at plus or minus root n, and symbol pole at order symbol pole of order 2 at plus or minus I root n. That's the question right there. So that's your questions, that's the options for that question. And what we can do is that we can find out the pole. This is very simple question, because the pole will be the term with 1 by 0 terms, okay. So you have to put down sine pi z square is equal to 0. So that's the first solution. That's the first condition, and the first solution will be that sine 0 is 0, so is it can be 0. So there is a pole, there is a symbol pole at z is equal to 0. So at z is equal to 0, there is a symbol pole, okay. And the second thing is to see if there is other poles, okay. So you know that if a sine function has the values starting from 0 ranging up to pi, okay, ranging up to 2 pi, and then goes on as it is, okay. So that's a sine function, as you can see, and it has zeros at different pi values, n pi values, okay. So this condition satisfies at different n pi values. So you can put down pi z square to be some n pi, where n ranges from 0 to n ranges from 0 comma etc up to n infinity, okay. So for all n values this condition satisfies. So you can write down that pi and pi cancels out, and you get z square is equal to n, which means it is a second order pole, and z can take the values plus or minus root n. So the option, this is a second order pole which has the values plus or minus root n, and there is a first symbol pole for z also, symbol for pole for this function also at x is equal to 0, at z equal to 0. So three values at two kind of poles. So you can see that the correct option, which is the option A, as you can clearly see. I hope you guys understood this question, because this is extremely simple. There is nothing no bitter part to this question, and for more videos you get to this link, okay.